Now it is time to start the Apparo setup. Please click the Next button. You can choose between single instance and multi-instance. The multi-instance architecture is for large systems with many application servers. In this movie we use the single instance architecture. Please accept the default name Apparo. Please accept the default installation destination directory. Now the setup is copying the files. That needs some time. Now it is time to run the Apparo Configuration Manager. This tool is helpful for defining all configuration settings. The settings are organized in chapters. In chapter Qlik Sense you can find all settings for connecting to Qlik Sense. You need a Windows account that has is member of the security group root admin. In this example we use a domain Windows user. Therefore the domain name is used. If you don't want to use an Windows domain user, then please enter the server name into this setting. After that the Windows user login and the password is necessary. Using single instance architecture means that Apparo is installed on the same server like Qlik Sense. Please define the installation path of your Qlik Sense installation. Apparo must connect to the Qlik Sense system. Therefore Apparo need a valid SSL certificate of Qlik Sense. Please open the Qlik Sense Management Console. Press button Add Machine Name and enter the server name. Then enter a new password and retype it. Check the Include Secret key. After that press button Export Certificates. Now Qlik Sense has created a certificate file and we can use it in Apparo. Please select the file client PFX and then enter your password again. In chapter Web Security Settings you can define the security group that is necessary for having full access in Apparo Fast Edit. If this setting remains empty then everybody has full access. In chapter Repository you can define the database that must store all of your definitions. We will use the internal database that is suitable for small environments. In a real-world system you can use a typical relational database like IBM DB2, Oracle or SQL Server. Please paste the license key here. If you don't have a license key then please contact the Apparo support. With test configuration you can check the whole configuration. Now start Apparo with pressing Start Apparo button. Please close now the Apparo Configuration Manager. It is necessary to import Apparo extensions into Qlik Sense. Open the Qlik Sense Management Console and select Chapter Extensions. Now the installation is done. Please open the Qlik Sense Hub. Open a new sheet and switch to edit mode. You see now the Apparo extensions. Please move the Apparo design extension into the sheet. After that, press this button. Because the system is empty, we must define a new client. Each client is a separated environment with own security, own optical definitions and so on. Now we have defined the client with the name demo. Each client has many settings. This client must support the language English, therefore it is necessary to import this language. Here you can define the access rights for this client. The standard colors of all business cases and the designer itself are changeable too. Now the Apparo system is installed properly. It is now time for creating your business cases.